Hello everyone. My name is MD Rokon Islam Rokon. I am 26 years old. I am a fourth year student in the Department of Business Administration at Daffodil International University. My major is Human Resource Management. I completed my SSC in 2018 and my HSC 2020 from Dhaka. I enjoy learning new things and improving my skill. I have good knowledge for Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, SQL and Power BI. These skills help me organize data, make reports and give presentations. Even though I study human resource management, I also have a strong interest in computer science. Because of this, I learned some programming language by myself. These include C, C++, Java and Python. I enjoy learning about technology because I believe it will help me solve problems and work more efficiently in the future. Besides my studies, I have taken part in many club activities and university events. These activities have helped me improve my communication, teamwork, leadership and time management skills. I am an executive member of DIU Business and Education Club. In this role, I have worked with different teams and to organize programs and support club activities. I have also worked as a volunteer in several university events. I was a volunteer at DIU Convocation 2024, DIU Convocation 2025 and Daffodil Family Day 2025 as a food volunteer and DIU Job Utsav. Their experience taught me how to work with different people, manage my responsibilities and stay calm under pressure. I believe that every new experience helped me become a better person. I always try to learn from my work and improve myself. In the future, I want to build a successful career in a well-known company. I want to use both my business knowledge and my technical skill to help the organization grow. I also want to keep learning new technologies, improving my professional skill and take on new challenges. My goal is to become a skilled HR professional who can also use technology and data to make better business decisions. I am a hardworking, honest and responsible person. I am always ready to learn, work with a team and give my best in every task. Thank you very much for watching my video resume and I hope to have the opportunity to work with your organization in the future. Thank you.